yoga, knees to chest, full wind relieving pose. This pose is great for relaxing and easing off the tension and stress, in particular on the lower back. Works on the hips and a little bit on the knees. Now if you have knee issues, you may wish to put the hands not on the knees but underneath the knees, bringing the knees into the chest. It's great for increasing the range of motion in those hips, in the sacroiliac and the lower back. Also a little bit of a prep for happy baby. The happy baby would take this a stage further. That's that's full wind relieving pose. Now you can, from a props point of view, and to make it more yin-like, you can use the strap, put it around the waist, either over the knees or underneath the knees. If you've got a long strap, and you're not particularly large, you'll get away with one strap. I have worked with two straps with larger people before. Just join the straps together. Now the idea of the strap as a prop is so that the bringing of the knees into the chest is passive. There's no muscular effort on your behalf. It is far more yin-like. And again, it opens up the availability of doing something, get more bang for your buck, with the arms over the head or out to a cactus position. Now in the cactus position, you're working on stretching off the internal rotators of the shoulder joint. So you're stretching them off. With the hands above the head, you're bringing in the lung and the heart meridians and just more of a stretch on some of those rotator cuff muscles, subscapularis, etc. And that's full wind relieving pose, knees to chest.